students. Now we will start our topic gait of animals. Under the heading of gait of animal, we discuss the gait for earthworm, for snail, for birds, as well as with bird. One more, that is cockroach. Today we will discuss the gait of fishes. Today we will discuss the gait of fishes. Beta, fishes swim in the water. Fishes swim in the water. The body structure or shape of the fish body is according to that they can easily swim in the water. Their body is streamlined body. Body of fishes are streamlined. It means body of fishes are taper at the end and wider in the middle. Beta, fishes is just like this. You draw fish on your notebook just like this. This is the fish. Head and tail end is thin. Middle end is wide. End of the body of animal is thin. Exact word is taper. And wider in the middle. Wider or broader. In the middle. That type of body is known as streamlined body. And our fish like this. Skeleton of the fish is surrounded by hard muscles, and these muscles become dead on the skin in the form of scales. We will draw scales of fishes like this. Like this. These muscles, these hard muscles, help the fish to swim. Help the fish of head side to move in forward direction. And the wings of the fish are known as fin. Tail fin, side fin. These fins of the fish help to maintain the balance of the body during swimming, as well as these fins also give direction to the fish during the swimming. Beta, body of fish as a whole help in the movement from one point to another, from one place to another in search of food, and for this they do not have any legs. Beta, their body is streamlined, taper at the end, wider in the middle. This shape of body help the fish to move. Beta, you will do one activity with you. You will form a boat from paper. You will form a boat by paper. The shape of boat is just like when you prepare from the bottom. You place this boat in watered area. This is the water. This is the water. You push the boat from one end. Suppose this. You push the boat from one taper end. From this. Boat start to swim on the water. But when you push the boat from middle part, from the broader part, this one, boat will sink. In the same way, water from this side or from this side. Clear? These hard muscles that present on the body or skeletal of the fish help movement when water come there from the taper end. It will give these muscles help in the movement of head part in front side, and then water become on middle part, that will be normal speed and then move quickly. If it will flat, water will come, fish move backward direction. Clear? This is the streamlined body which help in the movement of fish in water by the process swimming. During swimming, fins, tail fin and side fins of the fish help in the finding the direction of fish during swimming, and second, they maintain the balance between body and water by these fins like this, by removing the water from sides. Better during swimming, this fish bend the head in one side. Fish bend the head. Suppose this is the fish. It bent the head in one side and tail on opposite side. Then very quickly, very quickly, it will change the position of head and tail. Now head on this side and tail on opposite side. Like this. This is the process of movement. Head on this side, tail on left side. Head on left side, tail on right side. And this process is very quick, and fish move in forward direction inside the water. And second animal is the snake. How snake will move? Beta, how snake will move? Snake will move on the earth, underground, also beneath the earth surface. Beta, snake have very long cylindrical body. It have backbone as well as ribs. Snake have backbones as well as ribs. The long cylindrical body of the snake made up of muscles. These muscles are hard muscles, and body of snake consists of many large muscles, large number of small muscles, and these small muscles are interconnected with each other. Either these muscles are far apart or at maximum distance. Beta, body of snake is like this. This is the tail. Like this, long cylindrical body. This snake have backbone and ribs here. Have backbone and ribs. Backbone help in the movement, and ribs protect the lungs of the snake for respiration and from the injuries. During movement, the body of snake have large folds like this. During movement, this body of snake have large, very quick fold like this. These are the folds, large number of folds. These folds are made with the help of muscles, different type of muscles. Snake have different muscles and these muscles are interconnected with each other. These muscles are interconnected with each other. Beta, snake has long backbone. They have many thin bone muscles and these muscles are interconnected even they are far apart. Far apart means they are at maximum distance. They are at maximum distance. Snake body has many curves. These are the curves into large number of loops. These are known as loops. These folds or curves are known as loops. These loops help the snake to push the body in forward direction. To push the body in forward direction against the ground. These fold push the body of snake. Later this is the mouth of snake in forward direction by pressing the ground. By make friction with the ground. Ground means earth surface. Better these loops push the snake in forward direction and snake will move in forward direction. Snake always move very fast with the help of loop but not move straight as like human being or other. Beta, earthworm, snail, bird, cockroach, fish and snake. These all animals you will study as per your syllabus. But you have many questions for many animals. You see large number of animals, birds and all that. And you have many questions in your mind. How bones and muscles help in the movement of these animals. Beta, this will be explained. This will be written by a scientist in his book. The name of book is Gait of Animal. The name of book is Gait of Animal. And this scientist is Greek philosopher, that is the Aristotle. Aristotle wrote a book on the gait of animal and give name the book, that is Gait of Animal. He asked large number of questions by himself and tried to give the answers. He categorized the animal like their body, like their wings, like their limbs, forelimb and hind limb, such as beta cow, buffalo, dog, deer. All these type of animals will move. Horse also move on two forelimb, two hind limb. That means they have 4 legs for the movement. Gait of these animals are the 4 limbs, 2 front side, 2 back side, that are generally known as 4 legs. All type of birds, they have 2 legs and fins, wings, either 2 pairs or large number of pairs. Some birds lose their wings and some do not. Like this. You will see many more examples in your surrounding and try to give or solve the answers that present in your mind. Thank you.